Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this lovely Vauxhall Astra 1.4i Turbo SRI. Now this vehicle has currently done 74,855 miles and it's had one previous owner from new. It's finished in the colour dark moon blue, and if you'd like more information please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your very stylish LED daytime running lights that really complement the vehicle well. You have your chrome detailing there on the front grille. Now moving around to the side here, you have your 17-inch alloy wheels. You have your SRI badging there underneath your indicator. You do have your body coloured door mirrors there. Now let's head inside and take a look at the rear here. You do have very nice cloth seats with a nice patterned effect in the centre. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. You do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably. Now let's move around and take a look here to the rear. You do have your Astra Turbo badging on the tailgate. Now let's head and take a look inside at the boot here. You will find the button for opening the tailgate underneath the Vauxhall badge there. You do have a very nice amount of boot space here, and you have a nice deep storage as well. You can fit a weekly shop in there very nicely and have additional storage space as well. Moving on here, you have a handle up top allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around, now let's take a look inside to the front of the vehicle. Here inside you will find your leather multifunction steering wheel there with a nice metal finish on it as well. You have your gloss black finish across the dashboard, and you do have your front seats here. You have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's also an armrest there, so you can travel comfortably and also store things away inside it as well. Now that we've had a look around, I'm going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Vauxhall Astra has to offer. Starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments. This allows you to quickly make adjustments to the mirrors so you can see clearly to the rear. Super handy as well when parking, as you can put the mirrors down to check you're in the lines or next to the curb when parallel parking. You do have full electric windows there with your button for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. You do have automatic headlights as well as wipers, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration there. Super ideal as you don't have to mess around with them when driving. You have your infotainment controls there, and here to the left you have your cruise control, which is ideal for those longer journeys. It means you have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Also on there you can access your collision alert, where you can set up the distance that the vehicle will alert you of potential hazards ahead, so you can emergency brake to reduce or prevent the impact. You have your indicator stock there with your controls for making adjustments to your display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can see your digital speedometer on there. You can also look at your trip computer. You can also see oil life on there as well. Here in the centre you have your touchscreen infotainment system, that is the IntelliLink system. You can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. With your DAB you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio you can enjoy it nice and clearly. You can also connect your own source of audio with USB and Bluetooth, and of course with your Bluetooth you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. When you connect your compatible device with USB, you can access Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, which does bring your phone's interface into the infotainment system and allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can also use compatible apps as well, such as music streaming services and navigation, all directly on the system that are used from your phone. It's a very nice feature to have. You can also access some vehicle settings there as well. And here below you do have your air conditioning, so you can keep the vehicle nice and warm or cool very easily. Super straightforward to use with each button and switch clearly labelled. It's a very nice minimalistic look to it. You have your temperature controls to the left, your fan speed to the right, your direction of airflow at the top in the centre. Below here you will find your buttons for turning on or off your parking sensors, which will give you added confidence when parking. You also have your traction control on and off. You also have your lane keeping system. This will help keep the vehicle in its lane and alert you if you start to drift out. And there's also sport mode as well if you want a more sporty drive. Thanks for watching this video on the Vauxhall Astra 1.4i Turbo SRI. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.